Hey everybody, JD here once again. Welcome back to the channel. I'm doing my stash update early today because I want to get in over to the bench and do a little bit of work. Hopefully I can do some more stuff, get some more work done on my chaser because it is way late. I did stop at the hobby shop. I bought some paints for my Porsche. Got some Tamiya white. Got some red. Whoops. Got some red. And I'm hoping this blue is close because this blue, the Tamiya blue, is a little dark. So I'm hoping this blue is pretty accurate to what's on the front of Magnus's car. I got some semi-gloss clear because I don't have any. Bought a couple of jars from Tamiya jars for mixing paint, and I did luck out, and they still had the Carrera GT kit, so I picked that up. I'm not gonna use it for my Porsche build. I want to give some thanks to Brian at BGU's Model Workshop warning me about the Porsche 914 kit has some issues with it. Appreciate it, buddy. Watched a couple of other videos, and looks like it's going to be maybe a challenge, but not so bad. Try and get through it. Again, might learn something. And I got one thing in the mail. This is the kit I bought off of eBay. I have the Cadillac V16 Museum Pieces kit that I built a long time ago. It's in the box. It's kind of come apart. I think some wheels have fallen off. The engine hood ornament is broken off of it. So I need to fix it up a little bit. But I really enjoyed that kit. I got this off of eBay. It's all there. It's from come back here. The date on it says copyright 1967 and 1972. So I'm going to assume that this is a 72 edition. Yeah, it is an oldie. But it's all there. I checked everything. I put the chrome in bags. The tires in bags. All the tires are there. Put some pieces of chrome. The glass. Everything looks good. Got white walls. Oh, the hood. My Cadillac I didn't paint. I just used the plastic because it was a nice color. I like the color of it. This would look good in black, but the body's a little scratched up, so I may paint it. I don't know yet. I don't even know when I'm going to build it, but I just thought it was a beautiful car. I want to get the Bugatti in this. They have a Bugatti. I think it's a Type 35, like the Italeri kit. But that kit's like, I saw that kit, it was like $250. I don't have $250 to spend on a model. But I'd like to find the monogram version, the 124 scale. I mean, that kit is 1/12 scale, 1/16 scale. The Italeri Bugatti. It's a big car. It'd be like have a bunch of detail on it. Would be really fun. Also, I'm thinking about not today, not next week, maybe not even until maybe next year. I would like to do a JDM group build. I know there's a couple of guys out there that are like me that are big fans of JDM cars, and I have a ton of Japanese model cars. Been thinking about it. And I was watching a couple of videos about guys building 510s and different kind of cars, and I'm thinking whether I want to open it up probably to anything like cars, trucks, because I know a lot of guys like Toyota pickup trucks, and Land Cruisers and stuff like that. So, like I said, I know there's a lot of group builds going on right now, but I really think that would be a lot of fun to have a group build of Japanese cars, because like I said, there's a few of us who really love the things. But anyway, that's all I got. I'm gonna go hopefully go work on my my chaser and get that finally going, get it off the bench. That's kind of why I'm doing stuff on my bars, because my workbench is like crowded with projects. I got way too much crap going on. I cannot keep adding to it with joining group builds. Anyway, I hope everybody had a great weekend. We'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.